Hi guys, it's Dan here. Welcome back to another video. So today's video is just going to be a study with me video. I'm gonna share a few techniques and things that I found useful to kind of help me to focus or to type a little bit faster, get things on paper, and just overall things I've used to get my essays. So I currently have 3 assignments that are due in fairly soon. I think I've got like a week or 2 weeks, 3 assignments. So I have 2 essays and a little side assignment thing. So the first thing I always pull up when I'm doing any kind of study or I have a lot of tasks and things to get through is this. It's called the Pomerado Timer, which is basically so you do 25 minutes study and then you have like a 5-minute break. This is really good for me because it means that I can focus for a set amount of time, and then during the 5-minute break I tend to go and do something else. You're not sitting at your screen, you've got to move away, go for a walk for 5 minutes, and then get back to it. And it kind of refocuses you every time because you're off. Even if you're not on Pomerado on the screen, you can still see the timer in the corner of your computer. So it kind of keeps you on focus and right, I've only got 10 more minutes to study and then I can take a break. Another really good thing is you can add tasks to it. So let's say I need to do some research. Excuse the spelling. And then you can estimate how long it's going to take you. So just for an example. And then basically once you have your things in there, you can select which one you're working on. And you can just tick them off, which is really good. It really helps me like a to-do list. You kind of get that little sense of accomplishment, even if you just put 200 words out of your essay and you set that as a goal. I don't know, it's just something that's really helped me to stay focused. And so the next thing is the Google Docs thing. I have started writing on here because they have a dictate tool, which you go to tools and then down to voice typing, and then you get this that comes up. If I can just grab that. So you get this, and basically if you click on it, it will type it out for you. So it just helps when you're wanting to kind of run things through in your head, but you don't quite know how to kind of put it down onto paper. So as you can see, it's typed that out for me. There are a few errors, there's sometimes can be a few errors, puts things, you've just got to keep going through and checking through your work as you would normally. Because it doesn't pick up everything, but it just helps to get that through. And I can definitely speak a lot faster than what I can type. So it just kind of helps to get your typing done a lot quicker, really. Like once you know what you want to say, it just makes it a lot quicker to get your words down.